Getting your first retouching client in 2025 is easier than you think. Some of my friends have asked me how I get a retouching job, and I know what you are thinking. How do I even start? Just follow this simple step in this video and you're going to land your first retouching client. And not just that, you're going to get so much client that you start saying no. The first step, which is step 1, is to have a social media account. Having a social media account to showcase your work like a portfolio is very important. Now, then in the website, Instagram or Facebook, it's fine. Now, what you want to do on this social media is to post your best work so that your prospective clients can actually see your work and they'll consider working with you. So that is the first step. Now, once you have your social media set up or your portfolio set up, that brings us to step number 2, which is send a cold DM. Now, what do I mean by send a cold DM? A cold DM is when you send a direct message to a prospective client, that is someone you would like to work with, telling them exactly the kind of services you offer and that you want to work with them. So that's exactly what a cold DM is. Now, before you send this cold DM, make sure you have the skills. It's very important. So if you don't have the skills, there's no point sending a cold DM. So skills is very important. So for example, let's say you send a cold DM. So this is a DM and this is a prospective client, all right? So you send a cold DM to a prospective client and this prospective client actually replied your DM, but you don't have the skills to actually work for this prospective client. So that way, you automatically lose this client right here. So before you start studying a code DM, make sure you actually have the skills. So let's say from a scale of 1 to 10, so this is the skills. So let me name this one as skills. On a scale from 1 to 10, make sure you have a skill level of at least 5% before you start sending a code DM. Just in case you have a reply, you can actually do a good job because you actually have the skills, all right? So let's say skills right here. Skills right here should be step 0, all right? So step 0 is to have the skills. Step 1 is to have a social media account. While step 2 is to send a cold DM to a prospective client. Now, there's another factor right here after you have the skills, all right? So let me just explain that. Now, even if you have the skills, all right? So this is your prospective client right here, all right? This is the DM, code DM. You already sent this code DM to this client. Now, before this client actually reply to your DM, there's one thing they have to consider before actually replying you. That is our step number 1, which is having a social media account, all right? So if you don't have a social media account or a portfolio and your portfolio is empty, there's nothing here for the clients to see, they are not even going to reply you, not to talk of working with you, because your social media account is empty. You have no portfolio to show, you have no work to show. So everything works hand in hand. So step number 0 is to have the skills, very important. Step number 1 is to have a social media account, also kind of portfolio that your prospective clients can actually see before they even consider working with you. Which brings us to step number 2, which is to send a cold DM. Now, once you send this cold DM, before a client can consider working with you, they have to see what you have done before they can actually reply you and work with you. Now, I've done this. I sent a lot of cold DM and I can guarantee you I get clients from them. Now, these are some of the screenshots of the cold DM I sent, I think in 2021. So these are some of the screenshots. I actually did this and I guarantee you I have clients from sending a cold DM. So if you want to get your first client, send a cold DM. I guarantee you are going to have your first client. All right, another guaranteed way to get your first client in 2025, which is step 3. Step 3 is to join a photography community. All right, community. When I started, I joined some photography community on Facebook or photography group on Facebook. Those are communities like the Nigeria Photography Hub, I think Photographers Hub. So you can just go to these are some of the ones I joined. I'm going to share them with you on the screen right now. You can just go to Facebook and just search for Nigeria Photographer, or any region you are, just search for a community right there and join the group. Now, what you want to do in that group is to post your best work and ask people to DM you if they want your services. Now, the difference between this step 3, which is joining a photography group, and sending a code DM, it's actually simple. Now, the difference is sending a code DM, it's you sending a DM to different prospective clients. So this is a DM. You are going to send this DM to different prospective clients. So this is for the step 2, which is setting the code DM. Now for the step 3, which is this community, if you join this community and you post your best work, so this is your best work, and you caption for people to actually send you a message if they actually want your services. Once you do this, all right, the chances are more people are going to see this post and actually reach out to you instead of you reaching out to them. So that is the difference between this joining the community and posting your work and sending a code in. So you have more reach with joining the community than sending a code in. Now, if you follow this step I've mentioned so far, I guarantee you in 2025, you are going to get your first retouching client. All right. Now, if you want to scale this more and move to a whole new level where you start saying no to clients, like get a lot of clients and you start saying no, then let's move on to step number 4. All right. So this is where things get really interesting. Now, this is step number 4 is running paid ads. All right, running paid ads is step number 4. Now, at this point, you already have a couple of clients you are working with. So let's say this is you right here. All right, you. And these are some of the clients you have right here inside the cycle. And this is potential client reach right here. All right, so this box or this cycle right here is your potential clients, and these are the ones you are currently working with. Now, if you want to get the clients inside this box right here, you can actually get them by running paid ads, because you need more people to know about you and the kind of services you offer. So to get that kind of exposure, the easiest way to get that kind of exposure is through paid ads right here. All right, so if you run paid ads, you are going to reach these people right here, and you are going to convert some of these people inside the cycle to start working with you, or you working for them, helping them retouching their image. So by running paid ads, you get more exposure, and people from this cycle right here, you're going to reach more people, and they are going to start working with you, and you are going to increase your clients you have so much more that you are even going to be saying no to some clients. Now, this is something I've done, and I'm still doing these paid ads, and I guarantee you, like I said, every step I'm giving for this video, it's a guarantee way, because it's what I did. I already know how it works, and it has been working for me. So I'm still doing this up to this point, and I'm getting clients. So if you run paid ads to scale your business, to get more exposure, to let more people know the kind of services you offer, to reach more people, you can run paid ads. And if you do that, I guarantee you, you're going to get a lot of clients for money paid ads right here. So if you have the money to spend, you can run paid ads to reach more customers and also make more money. All right. Now, what is better than running paid ads? The answer is organic reach, which brings us to step number 5, which is creating content. I promise you, if you can create content, you have unlocked the gold mine. I'm not even kidding. You are going to get so much clients that you can't even handle. You are going to keep saying no to clients if you can just create content about the thing you actually do. Now, let me explain. By creating content, you are going to be seen as someone who knows what they are doing. All right. And number 2, people are going to trust you. Okay. So you're going to get trust, and people will like to work with you because they actually trust you right here. And the best part of creating content, which is number 3, is that you are going to reach many people organically without running paid ads. Remember, step number 4 is to actually run paid ads. But by creating content, you are going to reach a lot of people organically without paying a dime. So if you can reach a lot of people, most of the people you reach are going to convert as a client, because they already see what you are doing and they can actually trust you. Now, I can tell you 70% of the clients I currently have comes from people that watch some of my YouTube channel. So that's where 70% of my existing clients comes from. It comes from my YouTube channel. I'm not even going to hide that from you guys. So it doesn't matter if you're creating a YouTube video like me, which I advise you do, or you are doing Instagram videos or TikTok reels. It doesn't actually matter. As long as you are creating content about what you do, you are going to reach more people and get a lot of clients and build trust. All right, so let's do a quick recap. To land your first client in 2025, the first thing you want to do, which is step number 0. So step 0, all right, is to have the skills. Now, you don't have to be 100% good from your skills. So if the skill level is from a scale to 1 to 10, make sure you are at least 5. Have a skill level of 5 before actually going to look for clients. So make sure you have a skill level of 5 right here. All right. Now, after you have the skills, the next thing you want to do, which is step number 1, is to have some kind of online portfolio. But I'll say have a social media accounts like IG or Facebook, because that is what I have. I don't actually have a website, but just have a social media accounts where you can showcase your work so that prospective clients can actually see what you can do before they can even consider working with you. Which brings us to step number 3. Now, if you want to look for the clients are not just going to come to you. You have to go and look for them, which is to send a cold DM. So send a DM to prospective clients, tell them about the services, tell them what to do. Now, once you send the code DM to them, before they ever consider working with you, they'll have to look at your portfolio, which is your Instagram handle, which is, I use Instagram. So they have to look for your portfolio to see what you've done before. And also, if you have the skills to back up your portfolio, they are likely to work with you. So you can land your first client like that. But if you don't have the time to send a code DM, because you have to send a lot of code DM, but if you don't have the time, which brings us to step number 4, all right, which is to join a community. So I'm going to write community right here. All right, so this can be Facebook community, Twitter community, thread. Anywhere there's a community about what you do, you can just join that community and post your work, post the best work actually, and tell them to send you a DM if they are interested in your services. Now, posting in the community is going to give you more reach. Like I said earlier, you are going to reach a lot of people. All right, so instead of sending a code DM, you can post a community, and they are going to be the one DMing you, asking you for your offer if they actually like what you do. Which brings us to skills. Skills is very important. Make sure you improve your skills. Very important. Now, if you want to scale even more, like you want to go to another level, once you start getting some clients in, you have to run paid ads, which is step number 5, to run paid ads to reach more people. So basically, the more people know about what you do, the more clients you get. Now, the gold mile of it, which I explained earlier, is to create content. Now, if you can create content, I promise you, you are going to say no to clients. I don't know how to stress this enough. Create content, create content, create content. But you're going to get a lot of clients because number 1, they are going to trust you. Number 2, they are going to see you as an authority. And number 3, you are going to reach more people organically. All right. Now, this is just a bonus. If you can create content and run paid ads, then you have unlimited clients. I promise you, if you can follow this step and do them right now, you're not just going to get a client, you are going to get a lot of clients in 2025 that you start saying no. And once you start getting those clients and you want to learn how to retouch your image faster, check out this video right here. It's going to help you. I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay creative.